Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mohit Pandey from Acharya Narendev College and a member of Entrepreneurship Lab. In today's episode, we have Faz Askari, the founder of SMEstreet.in. SME Street is a platform of business sharing knowledge for small and medium-sized enterprises. So let's get to know more about his platform by himself. Hello, sir.
Hello, hi Rohit, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
Absolutely fine. बोलिए.
Sir, tell us more about SME Street,
So,
your platform.
so SME Street as a platform is basically was started in 2014 with the basic aim to actually collect and consolidate information which is required for running the business, for setting up a business and running the business smoothly. So that information may consist of news, success stories, any kind of policy related updates which actually can help small and medium enterprises, micro small and medium enterprises, to grow in business at a faster pace. तो ये मोटे मोटे तौर पे दिस इज द एजेंडा बिहाइंड सेटिंग अप एसएमई स्ट्रीट. एंड ये हमने शुरू किया था 2014 में, और जब से अभी तक के हमने काफ़ी एक एक मोमेंटम के तरीके से, ये एक मूवमेंट के तरीके से ये प्लेटफॉर्म आगे बढ़ा है. और अभी भी काफ़ी आगे जाना बाकी है. और लेकिन अभी तक के जो हमने काम किए हैं उनमें काफ़ी सर्वेज हैं, मार्केट रिसर्च एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, प्लस कुछ और इनिशिएटिव्स हैं which are actually aimed at supporting the MSME sector from the kind of information which is actually needed. And also we work closely with government agencies as well, in which we those agencies which are there to support the MSME sector, which are being designed to create a kind of meaningful support in the ecosystem. So we are working with them, and we are open for more such collaborations. Or this is what it is in nutshell. Or in fact, today is a very important day, where you have actually approached us for this interaction. Today is actually World MSME Day. And today, this World MSME Day is being recognized and acknowledged by United Nations. एंड इसके अंदर बेसिकली एमएसएमईज दुनिया भर में जो हैं उनके इश्यूज लगभग लगभग सेम हैं. जो डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमीज हैं उनके थोड़े दूसरे हैं. जो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज हैं उनके लगभग इश्यूज और चैलेंजेस सेम हैं. तो ये यूनाइटेड नेशंस का ग्लोबल एक दिन उन्होंने, जैसे हम सारे फादर्स डे, वैलेंटाइंस डे और
हाँ,
इस तरह से करते हैं, तो ये एक एमएसएमई डे भी बनाया गया है, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट वी शुड बी वी शुड बी कंसर्न फॉर स्मॉल एंड माइक्रो साइज एंटरप्रेन्योर. बिकॉज डेली बेसिस पे हम जिस जिस तरह से अपने फाइनेंसेस मैनेज कर रहे हैं का मतलब हुआ कि डेली बेसिस पे हम जो अगर हम इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बात करें, कॉमन मैन के लेवल पे बात करें, जो चीज़ें हम खरीद रहे हैं उसमें से मैं ये समझता हूँ कि क्लोज टू अबाउट 99% चीज़ें जो हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, दे आर on our hands, for our consumption because of the MSMEs. So not 90%, not 95%, but 99%. और वो 1% भी मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, उसमें भी किसी ना किसी तरीके से I can prove that these are like MSME focused, or MSMEs involvement are there in creation of those kind of products. So ये important है इस सेक्टर की. और इन सारी चीज़ों को लेकर के हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं SMEstreet.in. और आज जैसे मैंने बताया एमएसएमई डे पर हमने कुछ अनाउंसमेंट्स किए हैं, which are basically on related to the current situation of COVID, as well as helping the MSMEs in fighting that COVID hurdle. So उसके लिए हमने एसएमई स्ट्रीट लीग ऑफ मेंटर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया था कुछ दिन पहले ही, और अभी हम उसको एग्रेसिवली लेकर के जा रहे हैं फॉर द कोविड स्ट्रगल दैट द एमएसएमईज आर फेसिंग.
So, sir, let's go back to 2014 when SME Street was started. So, how did the idea of SME Street take place? What was the story behind SME Street?
So, मैं बताता हूँ. देखिए, इसमें 2014 में ये शुरू हुआ, लेकिन मेरा जो एसएमई का जो इंटरेक्शन और एमएसएमई से जो मेरा इंटरेक्शन है वो 2008 से शुरू हुआ था. 2008 में मैंने I was in Dubai and I was working for a magazine. In fact, journalism I have started in 2001. तो 2001 में तो इतना नहीं था SME specific, but we were writing on technology and business. But 2006 onwards, we started somehow focusing on the SME sector. I was working with Indian Express at that time. And then in 2008, I went to Dubai, where I saw a very, a magazine which was focused on the SMB sector in the Middle East, for the Middle East region. I saw that, I was impressed to see that magazine, but one of my friend whom we worked together after that was quite impressed, more than me, and he suggested that we should have something similar for the Indian sector. तो वहाँ से SME मीडिया का एक तरीके से वो चीज शुरू हुई, and then we actually started focusing on news analysis around the SME sector. 2012-13 में I actually joined a company based out of Gurgaon to head their SME SME
department.
Yes. So they were a technology company. So I realized that SMEs need a lot of dedicated and lot of focus, customized focus for their technology consumption, for their finance, and so on. So वहाँ से the concept of SME Street started taking shape. तो वो वहाँ से फिर 2014 के बाद आपको आइडिया है 2014 में I was just I decided कि I have to actually bring something for the SME sector and for the MSME sector. And when I was actually searching for the right name, I was just I was suggested with my friends and family that it could be somewhere you will get it. Like I was just say for example in places like there are streets for specific product category.
Like Dalal Street.
There are like Dalal streets. Yes, there are like, but more than that, in many cities there are like computer street. There is on that street you will find everything of computers. Or इस तरीके से there are bank streets where you will find most of the banks on that particular street. So I was just discussing this, and I conceptualized this as a one-stop platform where everything related to MSMEs and SMEs should be available. That's how the name of SME Street came forward, and then we just created the concept and we just launched it. और उसके बाद से अभी तक के हमने लगभग 7 लाख के ऊपर एसएमई से एमएसएमई से इंटरेक्ट किया है जब से अब तक, एंड वी हैव सब्सटैंशियल base of CXOs who are associated with us with regards to our updates or newsletters or whatever.
So सर, जैसे कि आप कह रहे थे कि हमारा जो एसएमई स्ट्रीट है उसको और आगे बढ़ाने का प्लान है. So where do you see SME Street after 5 years?
After 5 years, देखिए SMEs अभी हम जो आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, लाइक अगर आप देखिए 2014 से 15, 16, 17, we actually worked on content, and then we worked on outreach. Then we actually, from 2017 onwards, we started working on influence. तो influence का मतलब ये है कि we were being, I like the platform has been fortunate enough. I am fortunate enough to have support from some of the leading people in the MSME domain. So the like Ministry of MSME itself have some very proactive people who actually have pointed me out, who have acknowledged the work that we have been doing, and they also acknowledge that all of this is happening with a selfless attitude. So the previous DC of MSME, they he have actually kind of pointed this out, this kind of efforts which we were making, or um, uh, gradually we started becoming part of the discussions at the government level as well. So that was in 2017, 18 onwards, and 16 onwards. अभी भी एक स्टेटस है where yes, we are associated with government machinery, we are associated with government agencies, as well as those organizations which are actually concerned for the MSME development. और फ्यूचर में मेरा फोकस यही रहेगा कि to actually expand the network, strengthen the engagement with the MSMEs, और जहाँ तक कि नंबर्स की बात है तो नंबर्स हम, जाहिर सी बात है, इंडिया में MSMEs एज सच जो हैं वो लगभग 6.5 करोड़ MSMEs हैं हिंदुस्तान में, जिसमें कि हमें लगता है कि हम अभी 10 लाख के करीब हैं जिनसे हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ है. 7 लाख के करीब के ऐसे हैं जो कि हमारे साथ में रेगुलरली कनेक्टेड हैं सिंस 2014. तो ये फिगर अभी बहुत बढ़ सकती है और बहुत बढ़ना है.
So that was about SME Street. So let's talk about yourself. What are the sources of your learning?
See, sources of my learnings are obviously the internet today is amazing thing, and obviously, but what I personally feel is information is fine, is very important, very critical, much required. But at the same time, one whenever analysis is applied on information, then it becomes valuable for you. So what we do is, obviously we consume knowledge or information through internet, through digital medium, and obviously there are many areas. But we also look at analyzing things by our own things, by our own observation, as well as by people to people interactions. That is very important because MSME sector, if you actually look at, or for that matter any sector, if you actually rely 100% on information which is available to you, you will be getting partial outlook. Whereas if you converse with people around that, around that particular segment, you will be able to, you will be able to analyze the actual crux of the issues related to, the subject, and that's what it actually, matters. So that's why, interactions with peers are very important. So, I personally feel.
Sir, according to your opinion, what is the one most important skill that everybody should learn and develop to in this new era of business world? What is that one most important skill?
See, today we are actually in a world where holistic development is required.
Yeah.
So, get that holistic development, you have to have a holistic approach. So, what is the most important and critical element here to achieve that holistic development with a holistic approach for any subject? It is important to keep oneself open for learning, and to keep ourselves open, we have to ensure, we have to make a firm belief that, that learning never ends, that, there is always a scope of improvement, and, there is, I mean, with the outside world, we should be able to, leverage their expertise, their understanding. So with the openness of learning is one of the most important element in today's.
So my last question to you is, what would be your advice to young entrepreneurs or media, for the person who want to be in media industry? What would be your advice?
See, my piece of advice, first of all, I'm too able to actually give anybody advice like this. But if you have asked me, I can say that yes, one, if he is a media, because I have actually, I have been teaching a lot of, media students as a visiting faculty, as a guest faculty in many mass communication universities and colleges. So what I seek in the students, of especially in the media, is to remain curious, and 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 remain curious at the same time. Their curiosity should be mature enough, and that maturity should come from their analysis. So one, to, for a for a matured curious mind, you have to have information which actually you can probably collect from various sources, and then apply your mind, then apply your conversations with the peers around that, so that you'll be able to, understand the right path for, uh, of that quest. So, but the quest is important. So for the quest, you have to be curious, and for a matured, curiosity, you have to bring your analysis. That will differentiate you from others.
Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of Founder Talks.
My pleasure, my pleasure, and I'm always there. So thank you so much for giving time, and I definitely request all of you to go and check out. And if you are a mass communication student, you feel free to reach me, and, I'm always open to see good writers, good analysts. I'm very much keen to meet those people who are, keeping a curious mind and have certain amount of analysis in them. So, I'm looking forward to hear from you guys. You can go through SME Street and share your views. Let me know if we can, definitely we can collaborate or work together. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.